Hi. We're gonna make slime today. Guess what? We'll need four supplies. That could be easily find in your house. First, we need a container. But that's been used by me. Then second, we need contact solution like this, and we put that aside. We need white glue, clear glue, or glitter glue. You can buy this at Walmart and Dollarama. Y'all need baking soda. You just need it. And that's fifth supply. Never mind. Fifth, we all need.
She's getting it. Oh yeah, and also this is.
We're using this when you have old dry markers at home. If you don't have food coloring, you could use this to replace it.
And this is what the slime looks like.
Now. we made earlier. It's squishy, wet, and looks like goo.
Yeah.
It's like
yeah.
I just breaked it. Okay, never mind. Put it back in. Just keep it dry. It's like so Today we're gonna make is like with slime without borax. Good.
Yeah.
Everything we need, and just pour in some white glue that we've had earlier. Peel this off, and
pour it in the bowl. Well, in the container.
How much are we gonna make?
I don't know.
We need some arts and crafts, so let's leave some. We're gonna use this much glue.
Yeah.
This will be a great recipe. If we're having a 5 seconds challenge, give us a like and subscribe us for more videos about arts and crafts and beauty content. So 5 seconds. 5 second likes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now subscribe on there and try
and don't forget
press
to
the
hit
bell.
The bell.
Yeah,
that's very important.
So you can get like messages or uploads from your iPad when we have new videos. Okay, we're gonna pour glue, right? Then we're gonna pour in some baking soda. Like this.
And
oh
no. Okay, so just forget.
We kind of failed a little, but don't add too much or else it'll be so dry.
Yeah.
I made a mess.
Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah.
Oh my god. Don't blow it, because if you blow it, you'll be like, too. That's what we really like. So after, we're gonna have some contact solution.
Yes.
And I'm gonna put this and drop. Only put a few drops. Don't put too much, or else it'll be so dry. You see the glue and the baking soda together?
Yeah, it looks pretty dry. So yeah.
Squirt. And then use your hand to mix it. If it's not enough, use the other hand. Help me pour some more, please. It's like goo.
How many drops?
Like a squirt, something like that. It's not that. It's like fluffy slime, but we're just making normal slime. Stop.
Okay.
You see, it's coming out. With some more.
So this is that's what it looks like.
That's what it is. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
We're sorry because this is our first time having a video. Look, it's like goo.
Yeah.
Ew.
Well,
I'll say what I say will be is
yeah.
goo.
Look.
Ew. It's like stuff in it.
Once it's done, it'll look very nice.
Also, if you had some beet, pour in some beet too. It'll be an awesome slime. And you like pour it, mix it. Play it with your hand. Like when it's like gooish.
Yeah, it's very gooish.
Remember to wash your hands after this one. You won't get allergic to me because I won't get allergic to this one. It's a pretty good option. Pour in some more. It's not enough. Just pour off like a few drops if it's like really dry or really sticky. Stop. And sorry. Mix it.
Yeah.
Like look, it's like goo. And like wipe your hands with it.
Yeah.
It's like awesome slime. It's like ooh la la la, oh la la. So that's our tutorial how to make slime. and it's easy and fun DIY slime, and you won't get allergic because when I tried on, when I used the Tide, like other people, they use Tide to it, I got allergic. I got rashes from
rashes. You can get pretty itchy too. Got really itchy.
Yeah, you might get itchy red dots from yours. So this will be borax free. You won't need like activator, like that kind of bad stuff.
Yeah.
So, anyways, we're gonna play with it.
Yeah.
Look. Oh, now we're gonna dye it. Choose a favorite color in your old marker. What should we do with this one? Pink or what?
I think we should
Pink.
Yeah.
Pink. Then we're
gonna do pink.
Yeah, I suggest you use old like markers that's almost dry up. It's just there's slime, water in slime, right? So like just poke some dots, like
poke some dots and like do random
draw stuff on it, whatever you call it,
and then it will have the
stretch
color.
It.
Just like.
But you might if it's the slime's really big, you might need like put in more and play with it and stretch it so the color goes in fully. If it's not enough, poke more dots. Do it. You do it. This is what we did. You could use ink too because the point of it is like use ink to dye like it's kind of like pinkish right now.
Yeah.
Should you add magenta?
Yeah, let's add magenta.
This is like old color, but it's really good. Pop, pop, pop.
It looks really beautiful. Look how beautiful it is, guys. It's beautiful.
This is what. Come on.
Okay.
And mix it. Stretch.
Oops,
I break it.
On it.
You go crazy on it. It's like mixed. So you mix it until the color's fully in. If you don't like it, you can add other color.
Yeah.
The one in the you just show you it's purple because I add purple. I want it to be galaxy, but I played it too much and the colors mix, so it turned to purple, lavender purple, something like that. Take the pink. Oh man, let's poke some more dots. Done. This is what we did. But the poor slime, they get poked before they get dyed. This could be a Valentine slime.
Yeah.
When you want to ask someone to be a Valentine, the Valentine cards and treats are over. If your school's allowed to, or get them like after school, when they go to your house on Valentine, get them this. Be mine. Just write "Be mine" on marker on it and stretch it and play with it.
Whoever likes slime will like this gift.
Yep,
very much.
Or when something happy birthday, next time we're gonna teach you how to make like what do you call it? St. Patrick's Day slime. This is the Valentine slime. It's so pinkish. It's so I don't know. Lovely. Lovely. Yeah, lovely. It's so lovely. 360 stretch. Oops. you do it. Do a 360 stretch.
I can't.
Boo.
Boo.
Like 360 stretch. Da da da. 360 stretch.
Oh no.
Oh, what the heck?
You almost spilled everything.
I'm so sorry. Every fans. Okay, it was like squish and so long. Like this is called the 360 slime trick. The name is called 360 stretch.
So just keep like playing with it, stretching it until
you're satisfied.
Satisfied.
Oops.
All the cookies.
Yeah.
See.
Bye. Bye. See you next time until the St. Patrick's Day and the New Year's one and the Halloween slime. Whoever likes slime will probably like it. Wait, let me write something.
I can't really see.
Never mind, I can't really write it. I just want to write "Be mine." Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.